STAAR Online Testing Tools.
Hello, educators. Let's take a look at the tools for the online Reading Language Arts STAAR test. First up, you'll see all of the standard navigation tools we went over in the STAAR Navigation Tools video. But for RLA, there's one extra tool, the dictionary. Type any word into the search field and click the dictionary button to get a Merriam-Webster definition. If you see a little speaker icon, students can click it to hear the word pronounced out loud. Next, let's check out the Passage Highlighter and Expandable Tools. With the highlighter, students can select any text and choose any highlight color. To clear everything, just click the Reset Highlighting button. Right beside it, you'll notice two arrows. These help maximize screen space. The left arrow expands the question section, and the right arrow expands the passage section. Moving down a bit, below the test tools, you'll see the question tabs. In this example, the passage has 10 questions. Students can answer them in any order, and a green check mark shows up once the question is completed. Pretty handy. And that's it for the RLA tools. Remember, these features are the same across all grade levels. Be sure to give students some time to explore them before test days so they feel confident and ready to go.